Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Dell laptop driver. So first you have to come this site www.dell.com, this official website, so you can download the driver. Then click on support and then click on the drivers downloads. Then you can see enter the service tag and serial number if you know. Otherwise you enter the model number Dell 14 plus 2 in 1. Select this. So this is your laptop and you can see there are two methods to install the driver. First, automatic, just click to check the update, so system will scan the required driver. You can see this, then after that you can install. Otherwise you have select, so just click on the select the driver, then by default selected operating system. Scroll down, click on categorize. This is microphone, Wi-Fi driver, storage, video, all driver you can see. Slow down, dark stand, Realtek USB Ethernet control driver, and click to download. It is downloading. So it is completed. Then you can see USB Giga Ethernet driver. Just single click and then click to yes. After that there are two options, so extract to your PC and after that install, otherwise you install directly. Now you can see it will detect and install. Then next, again next, install. Now you can see USB Ethernet control installing. So it will take some time because this is in your installations, and then completed, then restart.